GameSir G7 SE best settings. Want the best performance from your GameSir G7 SE controller? Here are the ultimate settings for precision and speed. Step 1, set the polling rate to 1000 Hz for the fastest response time. Step 2, reduce stick dead zones to 0 to 1% for movement and 1 to 2% for aiming. This keeps control sharp without drift. Step 3, adjust trigger sensitivity. So set low dead zones for faster shooting but avoid hair triggers if they cause misfires. Step 4 is back button mapping. So map the back buttons to crouch and jump. This lets you keep thumbs on the sticks while moving. Step 5, use linear stick curves for consistent aim or aggressive curves for faster turns in close combat. Step 6 would be to reduce vibration for steadier aim and save multiple profiles in the Nexus app for different games. So that is the best GameSir G7 SE setup.